If your Kia Soul keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, you are not alone, but the fix is usually simpler than you think. Statistically, over 80% of CarPlay connection issues are caused by a faulty or non-certified Lightning cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where your Kia's connection is breaking down. Start with these 4 quick resets to clear any software glitches between your iPhone and the Kia head unit. Software updates and active VPNs are hidden culprits that frequently cause the connection to drop without warning. Check your hardware for physical damage, especially the USB port in the center console, which can loosen over time. Distinguishing between a bad cable and a failing USB port will save you a lot of time and money. As you can see, simply switching to an Apple-certified MFI cable fixes the vast majority of Kia Soul connectivity issues. If you follow these 3 steps in order, you will likely solve the disconnection problem for good. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to handle any future connection hiccups on the road. Remember, the connection is only as strong as the cable between your phone and the dashboard. Now you're ready to hit the road with a stable connection. Thanks for watching and safe driving.